Today I will teach you about the demand analysis. Demand analysis. Demand analysis. So, first of all, I will tell you what is demand. So try to understand demand, then after law of demand and how we can draw graph according to data. Definition of demand: the quantity of commodity, the quantity of commodity a person is willing to purchase and has ability to purchase, is called demand. Now I tell you, demand is a quantity of commodity which a person is willing to purchase and has ability to purchase, called demand. Now here two things are important. One is willing to purchase, and other is ability to purchase. Where both things occur, then it will be our demand. There are so many goods which are our demand, like food is our demand, medicine is our demand, water is our demand, education is our demand, and there are so many other things which are our demand. Now what is the law of demand? Law of demand states that when price of any commodity will increase, we will demand less quantity of that commodity. But when price will decrease, we will purchase or we will demand more quantity of that commodity. That is called the law of demand. In this way, we can say when price will increase, our demand will decrease. When price will increase, our demand will decrease. On the other hand, when price will decrease, our demand will increase. So it shows that there is inverse relationship between price of any commodity and quantity. This table is according to law of demand, which I told you that when price of any commodity will increase, its demand will decrease, and when price will decrease, its demand will increase. Now you see, look towards board that when price is $20, we are demanding 1 unit of any commodity. When price will decrease from $20 to $15, we are demanding 2 units, means more quantity we are purchasing now. But again, when price decreases from $15 to $10, again our demand will increase from 2 units to 3 units. In this way, when price further will decrease from $10 to $5, our demand will increase up to 4 units. Means when price decreases, our demand will increase. Now let's see the same situation with the help of diagram. Price on vertical axis, we place price on vertical axis, here is 0, and quantity on horizontal axis. This is a horizontal axis and vertical axis. We place in this way price around $5, $10, $15 and $20 units 1, 2, 3 and 4. So according to table, when price is $20, say our demand is 1 unit. Here is 20 and we are demanding 1 unit. So when where both points will meet, we place point A, and when price is 15, or we are demanding 2 units. 15, 2 units. This is point B, and when price is $10, our demand is 3 units. Okay, demand is 3 units. This is point C. When price is $5, our demand 4 units. $5 price 4 units. So by joining these points, now we will join these points in this way. We will draw a line. When we join all these points, we will draw a line. That line is denoted as a demand curve. Demand curve. So the whole situation we understood with the help of diagram, table, and theoretically we understand it. All these things. So this is a known as demand analysis. Hope that you understand about demand analysis. In next video, I will tell you further about this topic. So if you want to enjoyed my video, then like, comment, and subscribe my channel. I will tell you more about this information and share this knowledge with your friends through WhatsApp, Facebook, or other sources.